Stir-fry fuchok with wood ear mushroom is very smooth and tasty, perfect with rice. This vegetarian dish is a delight. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 20 grams of dry fuchok sheets or soybean sheets, 55 grams of dry fuchok stick or yuba, 90 grams of tofu puff, 120 grams of fresh wood ear mushroom, 400 ml of water, 130 grams of cabbage cut to squares, 35 grams of spring onion, washed and cut with the leaf and stem separated, 25 grams of ginger cut to strips, 1 tablespoon of goji berries, 1 red chilli cut to strips, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of shaoxing wine or Chinese rice wine, optional, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 30 grams of garlic, minced, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. First, soak both types of dry fuchok in a basin of water for 3 hours or until soft. Use a plate to submerge them completely to prevent some area from straining their hard and brittle texture. While soaking the fuchok, prepare the rest of ingredients. Add 2.5 tablespoons of water to the tapioca flour. Mix until well combined. This will thicken the gravy later. Alright, it is done. Set it aside. Next, cut the wood ear mushroom into half. I have not washed them yet. I will wash them just before cooking to prevent them from becoming slimy. If using dry wood ear mushroom, they should be soaked until they have expanded fully. Set them aside. Cut each of the tofu puff into thin slices. This is optional, as I like mine to be bite-sized pieces. Set aside. Alright, after 3 hours, the fuchok has soaked sufficiently. See, it is very soft. It does not break when pressed. Perfect. Let's cut it. Fold the fuchok stick and cut it into half. Cut the stick to about 1 inch in length. Set aside. For the fuchok sheets, peel off the sides. They should come off easily. Alternatively, the side can be cut as well. Cut the sheet into half evenly. Fold them over and cut it into half again. Now we have 4 sheets. Fold it over once more and cut it into half again. Now we have 8 sheets. Cut into half-inch squares. Place it with the rest of the stick and set aside. Switch on the heat to medium. Pour all the cooking oil and wait for the oil to be warm. Add in the garlic. Stir and cook for 2 minutes or until golden brown. After 2 minutes, the garlic is nice caramelized color. Remove most of them from the pan and set aside. With the garlic oil and some crispy garlic in the pan, add all the cut fuchok. Stir fry to evenly coat them with garlic oil. Add in ginger and continue frying until the ginger has softened. This takes about 30 seconds. The pan is getting dry now. Add all of the water and salt. Stir to mix until well combined. Cover the pan and bring it to boil. Continue to cook the fuchok for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the water is boiling and the fuchok is very soft. Add the washed wood ear mushroom, tofu puff, white stem of the spring onion, chilli, light soy sauce, pepper, and sesame oil. Stir to mix for about 20 seconds or until the ingredients and seasoning are well incorporated. Add all the cabbage and cover the pan. Let the cabbage soften in the pan for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the cabbage is cooked and has reduced in size. Stir to mix it evenly. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, the gravy is very sweet and tasty. More seasoning can be added as preferred. Wash and add the goji berry, shaoxing white for fragrance, and half of the crispy fried garlic. Stir to evenly distribute them. Now add in the tapioca flour mix to thicken the gravy. Give it a few stir immediately to combine. See, the gravy is becoming thicker now. Alright, it already looks great. Switch off the heat, add in all of the spring onion, and stir to combine. The residual heat will soften the spring onion leaves. Let's dish out and serve. Garnish with all of the crispy fried garlic. So lovely. Let's eat. Very delicious. The fuchok is soft and very smooth. The mushroom is chewy. And the tofu puff has absorbed the lovely thick gravy. It will be perfect with rice or on its own. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.